How to find someone you played with on Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So it is currently impossible to note down whom I was or whom you were within a server. Well, sure, you can go to the profiles and bookmark, or you can just do it on in an old-fashioned way by writing it down. But both of these methods are very inefficient, especially because of the vast amount of players that you play the game with. So, unfortunately, for now, it is not possible. But having a section you reserved for a list of players or played with a list section that were on a server with you would allow users to easily interact with them even after leaving that a server. So let's say if you are a small server of game and you are having a lot of fun with a certain player or players on that server, you want a friend to them so that you can play with them on later. So but that traded 200 friends limit has already been met. You can follow them as an alternative, but some players, I believe under 13, have the settings that only allow friends to join their server, and there's nothing you can do now to secure your chances of playing with them again. Well, sure, you can visit their profile, but the username is mostly not easy to remember due to the username crisis. So for now, it is impossible to have that feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.